Yo, what is up? What is happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to remove bushings with a ball joint removal tool or a gear puller. What I have here is the rear trailing arm from a BMW Z3, which I'm using to do a 5-lug conversion on my E30. I have absolutely no idea whether the bushings in this have ever been replaced. They look okay, but I want to use some aftermarket urethane bushings, so I'm going to be removing these today. One side of the bushing has a bit of a lip or a flange, which overhangs the housing for it on the trailing arm. The other, however, doesn't. So that means that this kind of bushing needs to be pushed out this way and put in this way. So I'm going to be pushing it out from this way. This tool that I have here is an outer tie rod puller, but you can use this to remove bearings and ball joints and a bunch of different things. It's very similar to a gear puller, and you can use a gear puller for this job as well. This tool comes out of this kit here, and it's actually not very expensive, and I'll put the link in the description. To use this tool, we're simply going to put it on, wind it in, and it's going to push the bushing out. However, we need some surface area to put these two teeth on so it can get a good grip. To be able to get a good grip on this, we're going to need to cut away a couple of bits of the rubber on this bushing so that we can get those teeth around there. As you can see on this one that I did earlier, I've just been able to cut either side off, and that's given me enough room to play with so that I can clamp onto this metal housing and push the bushing right out. As you can now see, we've cut on either side, so now we can reach this metal housing where we can put our teeth on. It's important to get these teeth just on the edge, on the metal housing, not on the bushing itself, because we're pushing the bushing out. We don't want that to interfere. So get these teeth right on those edges in a solid place, and then it should push out just fine. Before we start, I'm going to simply spray just a little bit of lubricant in there, and that should help push it out. There it is, popped right out. Didn't have to apply much force, super easy to do. All you need, something like this, and get the job done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped some of you guys, maybe saved you a few bucks. Now, if you haven't checked out our channel already, make sure you go and check it out. We love lots of different cars. We got lots of BMW content with E30s, E36s. We got lots of Nissan content with Silvia Skylines, a bunch of different things. We love cars, we love working on cars, and I know a bunch of you do too. So check us out, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.